just get that off instead of using the tool.
I got the Backstreet Boys DNA. Calm down. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah. I'm gonna open this shit. I'm gonna do it unboxing. I'm gonna do it unveiling. I hope I don't scratch it. Okay. So, 1 out of 3 have just come. Has just come. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Sorry if you're wobbling. You're in the knees right now. I can't get in it. Bang, bang, it's all why you might. Wow. Wow. That's cool. That is so cool. You can see all pink. Oh my god. Look at Kevin. Kevin. So you got Howie, Kevin, Nick, Brian and AJ. Alright, DNA. That's cool. This is cool. See that? That's the inside. Wow. I'm going to be bopping to this in my new car when I get it. Wow. Backstreet Boys DNA. Oh, wicked. Wonder what they say in the leaflet. In the booklet. This is so bloody cool. I'm just shocked. What? Whoa. That's AJ. Like a slinky. Right, don't go breaking my heart, nobody else. Breathe, new love. Then we've got Howie. Love how we do this like the effects. And got passionate, is it just me? Chances, no place. Ain't no place like you. Got Nick. It's like a sneaky effect. Cheeky Brian. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, my favourite. Sexy cat, sexy cat, sexy cat. Now they all write about things. Thank yous. I'm going to move on to Kevin. Don't really say much here. But I'm going to read it to you and I'm going to zoom in. Okay. Kevin. Let me zoom in. Zoom out. Zooming in. Okay, let me read what Kevin's put. Kevin. To Howard, Brian, Alex and Nick. Who would have thought, yet here we are. I love you, brothers. To the BSB army and all of our loyal friends out there all over the world. You have been with us from day one. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. We're so fortunate and blessed to be making music and performing all over the world together after 25 years. Oh my God. To the love of my life, Kristen, and our 2 sons, Mason and Maxwell. Thank you for your love, understanding, patience and support. Thank you for making my life complete. You are the inspiration for everything I do. I love you so much. To my mother, Anne, and 2 brothers, Gerald and Tim, I love you. To my brothers from another mother, Big Keith and Jimbo, I love you boys. Love and thanks to my dear friends in the Cali tribe and the SCV crew. To our entire team and support staff. Thank you Ron, Jenny. Thank you Ron, Jen, Collie and everyone at Patriot Management. I know it's not easy, but you guys always manage to get ER done. Thank you Jordan, Keller and everyone at Keller, Turner, Andrews and Gaham, PLLC. Thank you RCA for believing and helping us get our vision of music out to the world. Thank you to everyone at WME and Live Nation. Thank you to all of our live show production crew, security and staff for making us take this show on the road. I'm out of breath. Thank you to Eddie and everyone at Wonderful Union. Thank you to Roger and everyone at Artist Financial Management. To all of the talented writers and producers we've collaborated with to make this album, thank you so much for helping us create for 2018 and beyond. Great work. Peace and love, Kevin. Oh, I thought I just wrote that little bit there. But it goes on. Ooh, that's Kevin for you. Yeah, man. That is so cute. But Kevin, that is an awesome shot. That is fucking awesome. Fucking awesome fucking album. So yeah, that is the DNA album. I've just unboxed and reviewed for you. I've looked on the website, I've listened to the YouTube, and I love how they've done this cover. You got, what is it? Awesome effects. You've got, I think that's Howie. Yeah, Howie, Kevin. You got Nick, Brian and AJ. What a bloody awesome album. Bloody awesome cover. Bloody awesome CD. Oh my god, I can't wait to freaking listen to it. Yes, that zoomed out. So yeah, I'm going to be listening to this in my car. I can't wait to bop to it. Go and get yours from HMV or eBay or whatever, but HMV is better. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next review, which will be the Funko Pop of Kevin.